Hey guys, I'm Travis Wallen, the service guru here at the Service Shack with another episode of Tips and Tricks. With the change in the refuse volumes regarding residential collection and the increased focus on keeping operators in the cab, the Heil Command-SST's ability to easily access carts, both above and below grade, is a game changer. With other automated side loaders, chances are pretty high that your operator's having to get out of the cab and reposition a cart before the arm can reach it. That's not the case with the Command-SST. Thanks to its multi-actual arm and rotary actuator, the operator can access the cart whether it's in a ditch or on an embankment and return it back where it was found. And if the cart is overturned, operators can easily right the container and initiate a dump sequence with the Command-SST's rotary actuator, all while safely in the cab. No other automated side loader on the market can make that claim. So whether you're above or below grade, the Command-SST has you covered, delivering unparalleled productivity and operator safety. If you have any questions about the Command-SST, or you want to learn more about how to use the above and below grade functions, visit our website at www.heil.com or contact your local Heil dealer. Remember, we're always here to help, and we're all in this together.